Ang pagkama ng tanggilan from Batrasan, laban kay Bermejo ng Quezon. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Upload the shot, good for 1 point by Tanggilan. Una makakapuntos mga kaibigan ng batang Tanggilan from Batrasan. 8 seconds on the shot clock. We have only shot clock down to 7. Good for 1 point. 3 seconds on the shot clock. And Bermejo for 2 points. Good for 2 points by Bermejo. Bermejo attacker. Shot clock down to 8. But what a move by Bermejo. Shot clock down to 6. Bermejo kakaldag. Good for 1 point by Bermejo. 10 minutes go. Bermejo for 2 points. No good. Hindi papasok para sa batang si Bermejo numero 11. Shot clock down to 8. Tanggilan. It's good. Bullseye. Good 2 points. Hindi papasok by Bermejo. 8 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 8. 7, 6, 5. Tanggilan. Bullseye. 2-pointer. No good by Tanggilan. 8 minutes and 36 seconds to go. Bermejo. It's good. Put 2 points. Bermejo. Bermejo once again. Kaboom! Bermejo another try. Yes, sir! Score natin 6 against 9. Bermejo sa bandang kuha. Kanina ng babanat. Hindi papasok by Bermejo. 8 minutes and 15 seconds to go. Tatlong puntos ang napitawan at ang dalawang mga kaibigan Tanggilan. Huli. But put up huli according to game officials. Merong nakuhang foul first.
Ano yung foul niya ngayon?
Good for 1 point by Tanggilan. Last 8 minutes. Shot clock down to 6. 5, 4, 3. Tanggilan. 2-pointer. Bumabago shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock. Tanggilan long 2 point. No good. Bermejo kakasabuli ng dalawa. Bermejo. Tutuloy lang ang bola. Hindi papasok. Tanggilan babanat. It's good for 1 point. 1 point by Tanggilan. According to the officials, nakatapak from the 3-point or from the 21-foot lane. Score po natin 9 against 10 with only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Last 6 minutes and 48 seconds to go. Tanggilan once again. No good by Tanggilan there. Hindi papasok. Tanggilan pa rin ang makakakuha ng grupo. Shot clock down to 9. 8. Tanggilan 2-pointer. 1 go. 6 minutes and 35. Bermejo 2 points. Score 9 against 10 against 11. 6 minutes and 29. Yun na naman mga kaibigan ko. 6 minutes and 10. Shot clock down to 12. Bermejo up 2-pointer. Now 6 minutes go. Bermejo another try. Yes sir. 5 minutes and 55 seconds to go. Bermejo once again from the rainbow. Bermejo. Bullseye. Dalawang puntos na kailangan pasok. Bermejo for the win. No good by Bermejo. Last 5 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Tanggilan. 2-pointer. Yes sir. Score po natin 12 against 19. Last 5 minutes and 38. Tanggilan. 2-point. Sa Pulgarian Dibubukol. 5 minutes and 15 seconds to go. Score po natin 12 against 19. Bermejo with jersey number 11 sasayaw. Bermejo. What a move! Hindi papasok pero maling pagpasok ng depensa. Bermejo good for 1. So isang puntos na lang kailangan ipasok ng Bermejo mga kaibigan. We have only last 5 minutes. Bermejo for the win. No good. 12 against 20. 5 minuto pang naiiwan sa 12 minutes of basketball matchup. So the shot clock. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 6, 5, 4, 2,